He hears me laugh. He's like, "What's that sound?" He can hear my voice, eh?
Sheldon. Sheldon, hi.
Oh. Did you
Hi.
know his name?
Sheldon. 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 Sheldon.
Oh.
Like, so who's Sheldon? Oh, that's so cute.
Okay, make him throw up on you again, Heather.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll get right on that one.
Kodak moment. Oh.
Do, 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 do. We were doing that earlier.
Look at this cheek. Oh, what a sweetie.
Hi, Sheldon. Look at the eyebrows. Take that.
Please.
Can we pull that? Here, Heather, get right on that, will you?
What?
Just gonna pull that blind down so I can.
Samantha, I thought you were serious. We need to
Sadly,
say
I was.
I know. If I had the energy, I'd go do that.
Oh, there goes some. No.
Heaven forbid I
Where's
should
the smiles over here?
Yeah, uh-huh. I should lay down for 5 minutes.
It was 5 minutes, honey.
Yeah, that was it. I had about 5 minutes.
Oh, that's awesome. Perfect.
Look at the face.
Get the juice.
Look at all that spit ups.
Look at
How do
What's
you
the
take?
big juice?
Do you see all this stuff on the TV, like all the time and the date?
No.
Okay.
I think you see the time and date and that's it.
You don't see all the zoom. And...
No. Or the
no.
battery and...
There's Heather making funny baby
She got
noises.
bubbles in there.
Oh, let's see that tongue again. That's quite the side shot. Where's the zoom on this thing?
Right on top. It's
Oh, I see.
this here.
Oh, okay. How am I supposed to do that?
Boo-boo-boo-boo.
Okay, do it again.
Okay, that's what I want on my camera. Too much information.
Oh, she's blowing bubbles.
Bubbles. Okay, ready, Sheldon? Little patty cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it. Roll it.
I know. I'll throw up all over you.
Right under her face.
Put it in the oven.
Oh, baby in me.
Sheldon and me. Yeah. Boo. Boo boo. Huh? Heather? Oh, that's nice. Anyway, once you get the shirt once, it doesn't matter about the second time.
Hey, whiplash.
You okay? You strong boy. You strong boy. Yeah, Mama fed you well. My dad? Sit up. Sit up.
Look at that face.
Yeah, that's Paul.
Yeah.
Are his baby pictures?
You better stop slipping in the alcohol on in the breast milk.
Yeah.
Are you still nursing him?
No.
No?
No, not at all. No, he likes the bottom.
Wow, that's unusual. Little boys. Jake is still infatuated with my boobs.
Oh, not him. He'd be like, okay, like after 5 minutes he'd pull off and he'd go, okay, where's the real stuff now?
Wow, really?
Cry and cry. And then he'd give him the bottle and his eyes would roll back. He'd be like in heaven. so he made it very clear that's what he
Yeah,
wanted.
yeah.
Cute.
I was just like appetizer.
You were the escargot before
Yeah,
the
it's
filet mignon.
Yeah, yeah. There, look at the faces.
Smile, you're on Candy Camera.
You're on Candy Camera.
You'll see this when you're 40. Yay.
We'll show that at your wedding, Sheldon. You'll be like,
DVD.
"Hello."
Yeah, he'll be married before me.
Okay, that's on tape.
I used to say that about Raven.
What does Paul say about that?
About what?
The whole marriage thing.
Not much since we never talk about it.
Is it gonna happen?
Probably not.
You've gotta go away to like Hawaii or something.
That'd be nice.
We'll have a double
Actually,
marriage.
I don't even care anymore.
Because it's not about that. You guys are together. You
Yeah.
have your what you need.
And I've heard too many stories about, and I know this is not a way to think, but
As soon as they get married.
people change, and I'm thinking, that's all I need. Like, Jekyll and Hyde.
You put the bib on me? Yeah, yeah. Yeah,
I'll go and grab water.
Alright. Blah, 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 blah. Here.
Ah, it.
It's on.
You can rewind this part and take it.
Beautiful. You're on Candy Camera.
Sing
Why not?
Your camera is just
on. Turn it on.
No.
Aww.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna have to rewind like 2 minutes of this.
Look,
Wow.
you know who that is?
Yeah.
Raven.
Who's that? What?
That's Raven.
Who's in the background?
Carrie, my sister's friend.
Oh.
Oh my goodness, she must have been, I think she was Sheldon's age. I think she was 3 months old. You have to hold him up to the TV so you can see what he looks like. Tape him and Raven.
Together. How old was she there?
I think about 3 months.
We'll have Heather get the.
Oh, hang on.
That was a better shot.
There.
Look, 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 look.
Oh!
We'll be right back.
Are you new?
What are you new?
What are you new? Raven and Sheldon.
Look at that. They look alike.
Yeah, they do. Rest your head. Rest your weary head.
He likes the light, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Warm. Like on the eyes.
Just like Mrs. Spock.
He's probably going, yeah, man, wicked. Never seen a light show like this since I was, inside.
Yeah, right. Before I was born on the other side.
Oh, wants to sit up.
Was he dirty?
Oh yeah. Little, not a lot, but a lot of peas. Oh.
Hey, Stickle. Hey. Hey. Seven.
Oh. Hello.
No, she can't be 3 months, but
Hello.
practically standing up.
Seven. Seven.
Sheldon, look. Over here.
So we got it. That's my boy.
Hi. 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 What did you do? What did you do? Look at that. See? Oh.
What a boy. Talk to him. Talk to him. Tell us your story.
You've got the biggest cheeks. Huge cheeks. You have got big cheeks. Yes, you do. You just laugh.
Yeah.
Big cheeks. Oh. He goes, oh yeah, look. Big, 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 big.
Pinch him. Oh, bubbles.
Bubbles.
Lots of bubbles.
Yeah? Yeah? You think so? Uh-oh.
Yay.
Drooling on me.
Got that. Up close.
Drooling on me.
Here.
They don't look anything alike.
Got a whole symphony over here.
I got that one. Aww.
Yeah.
We'll be back with you in a moment. You're back.
That's your sister on TV.
You want me to do your hair or should I do it soon?
Mm-hmm.
Your scalp okay?
Mm-hmm.
staring at TV. That's mine.
Look at those ears. Beautiful. Little point.
Mm-hmm.
Like what? Which story would you say?
Elfish. That's what they do. They're elfish.
I said the fish.
How's your mom liking teaching, do you know?
Yeah, she likes teaching.
It looks much better in person than on the screen.
I'm watching this tape of Raven and it's really dark. Can't barely even see it. I would have to sit up. Yeah. Yay! Yay! No? 6 little ducks that I once knew. Fat ones in one, fair ones too. But the one little duck with the feather on his back, he left the others with it.
It was more of a quacking sound, but that's pretty close.
That'll do. We'll take anything.
I got that one.
He's gonna say mama before dada.
Mhm.
Say mama. Mama, mama,
I think my first words were dada.
mama, mama, mama. Every baby says dada first.
Yeah.
It's easier to say.
Keep enjoying it, though.
So does Raven.
Now that's interesting. You don't have a family where there's a dad. They just don't say anything until they say mama. It was the whole
They don't
D
say
experience.
dada like they don't mean daddy though. They don't say it and mean daddy. They say it because it's
The word we're
saying
telling.
dada. Like they say it long before they know what it means, I think. You got big stories today? You got big stories today? Alrighty then.
Yeah.
his head. On
No,
purpose.
he keeps banging his head against the side of the chair.
He usually does that. I think he wants to stop him, or he wants to feel it.
Or when he's tired, or I don't know when.
He just winds up from one side to the other.
When he's tired, I notice he does that.
Is he ready?